Oh, do you see the moon? Where's the moon? Take your time. Where is it? You're right. Where is it, honey? Well, that's yarn, but I can see that. Do you see the heart? Where's the heart? And where's the star? That's the moon. There's the star. Where's the elephant? That's right. That's right. There are a bunch of them. Where's the teapot? That's right. Where's the ladder? Now, I've never gone over this with her ever, this book. Let's do a different page. Let's do, what's on this page? This doesn't look very good. Do you see a bicycle? Do you see a bed? Do you see a fish? Look all over. Do you see a fish? Yes. My goodness, honey. That's what that fish is doing. Let's see. Do you see a lamp? Look all over. That's right. Do you see an umbrella? That's right. Do you see a violin? Take your time and look all around. That's right. Do you see a whale? That's right. That's the whale with a tail. That's right. The whale has a tail. Do you see, let's see, a candle? They're right. There are those candles, and they're burning. They have fire on them. A froggy? Look, I think, is that a froggy? What is that?
What is it?
I don't know. It has a tail there. Oh, someone's calling. Okay.